Hey y'all, thank you so much for sending that material over to us. Today we're going to be doing a test on the M100 TAN. So the M100 TAN has 3 bypass motors producing 336 CFM. It is a 120 volt unit, so it runs off of a 20 amp socket, single phase. Manual shaker here, 26 gallon detachable bin at the bottom there. The bin is on casters as well. We have the drill line chips up first, and we'll see how it does. Now we're going to be testing the M100 TAN with the drill line shavings that you sent us. One thing to keep in mind with stuff like this, anytime you have these long strands that kind of bird nest, for lack of a better term, you might have some clogging issues with the vacuum. As long as everything's being able to get through the inlet, you're good to go. But just something to keep in mind, that's one of the reasons why we're using the tangential inlet, because the vacuums with the frontal inlet on it have a deflector, and those chips that bird nest will get caught up in there. So that's this tangential inlet helps mitigate that a little bit. But again, we're using our M100 TAN here. Let's see what kind of results we get. That's what I'm talking about there. So this may not be the best tool for this kind of job. So we'll stop here and see if we've got some different accessories that'll work better. We're gonna try this nozzle here. It's coated with rubber, so you're not scratching up any machines or anything like that. We'll see how it goes, but let's see how it works with the nozzle here. Weren't doing it for us. That was using a 2-inch hose, so we're going to step it up to a 3-inch hose and just use the rubber cuff on the hose to collect everything from the floor here. So let's see what kind of results we get with this. Same kind of thing. So you can see everything's getting kind of caught up in the hose just because it's bird nesting into the shavings itself. You kind of assisted it, it can go through there. All right, so even with the 3-inch hose, we're having some difficulties picking this stuff up, but it's always good to do these tests. That way you guys know up front what works and what doesn't. Definitely able to get those metal chips up, but these shavings that are kind of the super long strands are proven to be a little bit difficult.